Kirk Duckwall here with your Market Monday update, your real estate market update for the Twin Cities area. We've got some really positive news I'm excited to share out there, along with a look at some new numbers, 90-day showing activity in comparison to 30, and a quick look at where pending sales are at. Let's dive into the data. So, as suspected, we did see the showing activity increase in percentage of change last week over the previous. I expect that to continue at the same pace. I do not expect that to fall off anytime soon. And that's reflected by that exciting news, which is the average showings per week per listing in that median sale price range, 200 to 400K for the Minneapolis-St. Paul area, 6.08. That is up over last year's 6.03. Yes, it's by only 1%, but I'm going to hold on to that because we've seen 4 weeks of negative territory, and now we're in positive territory again. We were in such a great year, and it's good to see that coming back. Now, when we look at showing activity as a whole, it is down. If I look at 90 days worth of total number of showings, down 10%, 30 days, down 40%. However, you have a lot of sellers remove themselves from the market, thus dropping the total number of houses, a bunch of buyers removing themselves from the market. It's keeping that competition. So even though there's way less showings, well, there's way less buyers and less listings for those showings to be dispersed between. So that's how we're able to see these gains. So when people ask me what's going to happen to pricing, I don't expect a huge drop in prices by any means. It's pure supply and demand. We can see that our interest level out there is similar to where it was at last year at the same time. Pending sales is down as well, about 10%, but that should be no big surprise. I mean, you don't have as many listings on the market. You're going to have less sales that take place. All right, so let's take a peek at the mortgages. As suspected, interest rates did rise slightly, and we expect them to stay stable, maybe go up a little bit. This is a time where it may be worth talking to your loan officer about what are their thoughts on locking. I do expect our market as a whole to continue to come back from this. I think we're going to see a lot of buyers be putting themselves into the marketplace here as the stay-at-home starts to lift and easing of restrictions. A lot of buyers are going to be going back to work that haven't been able to make a move because they've been furloughed, and they're going to want to get their offers out. And so I think if you're a seller out there, it's a good time to get into the market as people are going back to work because they're going to want options to choose from. So hopefully you found this information helpful. Take care, be safe, and have a great week.